Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking your Android version and whether the manufacturer blocks call recording, because that determines your approach. Once you know that, pick one method: built-in recorder if available, a Play Store app for mainstream support, or an APK for advanced features. Next, make sure you enable microphone and storage permissions. Without them, the app won't record. Also, toggle call audio permissions where present. These first steps prevent wasted time and prepare the phone for the installation and configuration that follow. Now you install the Recorder app and walk through its setup screens. Choose an app with recent updates and reasonable ratings. Once installed, open Settings and set the audio source. Try voice call first, then mic or VoIP if quality is poor. Make sure sample rate and file format are set. Higher bitrate yields clearer audio, but uses more space. Configure auto record rules so calls from specific contacts record automatically. After configuring, run a short test call and inspect the saved file to confirm quality and permissions. Finish by choosing where recordings save and enabling backups to cloud storage so files aren't lost. Once done, review a full call to check levels. If voices are low, increase gain or disable noise suppression, because aggressive filtering can muffle speech. If recording still fails on a locked screen or specific carrier, try switching the audio source or record while on speakerphone as a workaround. Finally, keep the app updated and periodically test. If problems persist, reinstall or try a different reputable app to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.